Bien means mal in Argentinian Spanish. I know it sounds extremely weird, like, Nico, what are you talking about? Is this even true? And yes, it does, pibe. Because in Argentinian slang, we use the word mal to say good, but in a very specific way, and it's more like an exaggeration, but it's so common that everybody says it. So if you really want to sound as a real Argentinian, as a native, just like me, you have to watch this video and understand how to use mal in Argentinian Spanish. Firstly, I would like to start with a gesture, and I'm talking about this type of gesture. You probably already seen it if you were in Argentina before, and if you didn't and you don't know the meaning of this, I have a video explaining Argentinian gesture. You have to watch it. But anyways, this is an exaggeration of anything we are saying, and we always use this gesture when we say mal. And now I'm gonna explain you how to use mal. So as I said before, mal means bien, or like perfect, or super, or amazing. It's basically an exaggeration of whatever you said before, or as an answer of something you said. As for example, Argentina es el mejor país del mundo. And then somebody else would say, mal, Argentina es el mejor país del mundo. In this case, mal is an answer to something I said or somebody said. Case would be like, exactly, I agree, that's what I mean. But basically it's a slang and it means exactly. It's the closest translation we can have for this case in specific. Mal does not mean bad in this case. It is only an exaggeration of whatever you said. In this case, it has a positive connotation. Let's see another example. Hoy hace un re calor, pero mal. Today is very hot, for real, or it's super hot. It's just an exaggeration at the end. That's, I think, another closest translation we can have, but it's basically a word that's an exaggeration at the end. Let's see some other examples. In this case, I've just said have a positive connotation, right? But now let's see some other that have a really bad connotation, or we are just exaggerating something you said that you think is bad. As for example, esta es la peor comida que probé en mi vida. And somebody else would answer, mal. So we can translate this as, this is the worst food I ever tried in my life. And somebody else would say, for real, or exactly, that's exactly what I think, or super bad. It's just an exaggeration of whatever you said before. So let's say I'm super tired. I would say something like this. Hoy estoy re cansado, pero mal. Meaning, today I'm super tired, for real, or I'm super tired again. And in this case, it doesn't really have a bad connotation because I'm just saying I'm super tired. So it doesn't have a bad connotation. It's just an exaggeration. So this is a super common word we have in Argentina. This is kind of like an Argentine expression or slang. We say all the time, you will hear all Argentine people say it, and in specific doing this gesture where we are saying this. And if you would like to learn more things just like this, join to my community and platform on the school, which is called Argentina Spanish with Nico. You will find it in the description. And there I share all of this type of content and a lot more. And it's specific for people that want to travel to Argentina, people that wants to learn Argentinian Spanish and start speaking just like me. Things you will not find anywhere. And you can finally have a full program to start studying Argentinian Spanish and fully understand it, understand culture, understand Argentinian Spanish, understand the gestures, and things just like this. So if you finally want to learn Argentinian Spanish, you can do it with my platform. In the description, you will find a link. And also, if you would like to start learning and speaking Argentinian Spanish with my one-on-one programs, you can do it. All the information is in the description. There you will find my community and platform and also my one-on-one program. Muchas gracias por ver y nos vemos en clase y en comunidad. Chao, chao.